ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் என்னென்னா 10th சமச்சீர் சயின்ஸில் ஆப்டிக்ஸ் லெசனில் புக் பேக் ஒன் வேர்ட்ஸ் தான் நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். வாங்க இப்போ நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். First part, choose the correct answer. First question பாருங்க. The refractive index substance A, B, C and D are 1.31, 1.43, 1.33, 2.4 respectively. The speed of light is maximum in option A தான் correct answer A. Second question, where should an object be placed so that a real and inverted image of same size is obtained by a convex lens? Option B is correct answer 2F. Third question, a small bulb is placed at the principal focus of a convex lens. When the bulb is switched on, the lens will produce dash. Option A the correct answer. Fourth question பாருங்க, magnification of a convex lens is dash. Option B is the correct answer, negative. Fifth question, a convex lens forms a real diminished point sized image at focus, then the position of the object is at dash. Option B is the correct answer, infinity. Sixth question, power of a lens is minus 4D, then its focal length is dash. Option D, minus 2.5 m. Seventh question, in a myopic eye, the image of an object is formed dash. Option C, in front of the retina. Option C is the correct answer. Eighth question, the eye defect presbyopia can be corrected by dash bifocal lenses. Option D is the correct answer. Ninth question, which of the following lens would you prefer to use while reading small letters found in a dictionary? Option D, a concave lens of a focal length 10 cm is the correct answer. 10th question, if VB, VG, VR be the velocity of blue, green and red light respectively in a glass prism, then which of the following statement gives the correct relation? Option C is the correct answer. VB is lesser than VG, lesser than VR. Second part, fill in the blanks. The path of a light is called dash, a ray. Second question, the refractive index of a transparent medium is always the refractive index of a transparent medium is always greater than unity. Unity is the answer. Third question, if the energy of an incident beam and the scattered beam are same, then the scattering of light is called as dash scattering, elastic scattering. Fourth question, according to Rayleigh's scattering law, the amount of scattering of light is inversely proportional to the fourth power of its dash wavelength. Fifth question, amount of light entering into the eye is controlled by dash iris. Third part, true or false? First question, velocity of light is greater in denser medium than in rarer medium. False, because velocity of light is greater in rarer medium than in denser medium is the correct answer. Second question, the power of a lens depends on the focal length of the lens. True. Third question, increase in the converging power of eye lens causes hypermetropia. True. Fourth question, the convex lens always gives small virtual image. False, because a convex lens does not give a virtual image is the correct answer. Fourth part, match the following. Column 1, column 2 விட்டுருக்காங்க பாருங்க. Column 1, retina, screen of the eye, D option. Pupil, pathway of light, A option. Ciliary muscle, power of accommodation, option E. Myopia, far point comes closer. Hypermetropia, near, option C. Near point moves away. Fifth part, assertion and reasoning type பார்ப்போம். First question பாருங்க, assertion, if the refractive index of the medium is high in denser medium, the velocity of light in that medium will be small. Reason பாருங்க, refractive index of the medium is inversely proportional to the velocity of light. Both are correct and reason is the correct explanation of A option. Second question, assertion, myopia is due to increase in the converging power of eyes. Reason, myopia can be corrected with the help of concave lens. Both are correct. Reason is the correct explanation of A. So A option is the correct answer. Thank you friends, keep supporting. Subscribe, like, share and subscribe and மறக்காம bell icon click பண்ணுங்க. Thank you so much.